Nipatie mic. Order. Chairperson, Departmental Committee on Finance. Honorable Kimani Kuria.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 120, that this House resolves to reduce the publication period of the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill 30 of 2024 from 7 to 4 days. Honorable Speaker, the reduction of this publication period is to give enough room for public participation so that we can have a robust conversation about this Finance Bill of 2024, and most importantly, to avert a possible special sitting for this Friday, because if you don't make the decision now, then we might have to reconvene a special sitting on Friday.
Honorable Mogaka, take your seat. Honorable Joash, take your seat. Honorable Robbie, take your seat. Member for Sirisia, take your seat. Honorable Clive, take your seat. Honorable Sunkuli, break the Kamukunji. Honorable members, we cannot even hear the mover. Kindly let us be orderly. Member for Molo, can you move again?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move the following procedural motion that pursuant to provisions of Standing Order 120, that this House resolves to reduce the publication period for the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill number 30 of 2024 from 7 to 4 days. Honorable Speaker, the essence of this provision of reducing the publication period from 7 to 4 days is to give enough room for public participation. There are a lot of measures that the Finance Bill of 2024 has proposed, and it's very important that we give a robust time, to give sufficient time for Kenyans to participate in bringing us their views, and that's why we propose this reduction in the publication period. Because in addition, Honorable Speaker, the import of this is also we may have to have a special sitting on Friday if we don't reduce this publication period, and we don't really need to do that. In that, Honorable Speaker, I beg to request Honorable Dr. Wilberforce Oudo, the MP for Funyula, to second.
Order. Order, members.
Procedural motion.
Member for Sirisia, your pick is ordered. Take your seat. Honorable Makila, take your seat. So that you can hear Honorable second the motion. Honorable.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I stand to second the procedural motion, specifically the procedural motion to reduce the publication period. We have always had a challenge in this country, Honorable Speaker, that such an important bill like the Finance Bill is never given adequate time to be subjected to public participation. On the account that they are seeking to reduction of the publication period so that they give adequate time for public participation, Honorable Speaker, on that account I support. But as I support, Honorable Speaker, I want to urge the committee and I want to urge the members who will sit in the committee that public participation, Honorable Speaker, should not be an exercise in futility, should not be an exercise in vanity, but the comments, the views of the people of Kenya must be taken into account when preparing the final report. Honorable Speaker, if that doesn't happen, then the process of public participation is going to become a farce. With those few remarks, Honorable Speaker, I support the reduction of the publication period.
Honorable members, I therefore, Honorable Modoni, take your seat. Honorable Kagiri, take your seat. Honorable members, I therefore propose the motion that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 120, this House resolves to reduce the publication period of the Finance Bill, National Assembly Bill, number 30 of 2024 from 7 days to 4 days. Is that the mood of the House? I therefore put the question that pursuant to